how to enable light mode on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable light mode on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find settings icon in the top corner. Click on it and then click this one, display here. And if you want to enable light mode, all you need to do is just this one, click this one here, light mode, and go back. It will be saved. And as you see, that's how to enable light mode on Deezer mobile. And it's easy, and you can turn it off. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And see you in the next video.